Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video I'm going to show you the Osprey Poco carry case. Okay, so this little packet here is the Osprey Poco carry case. It turns into this thing here when you take it out, the little bag. We are going to put this Osprey Poco Plus into the carry case. So this is how you do it. This is the Poco Plus. It's exactly the same with the standard Poco. First of all, you undo these clips here. There's one on each side. They're red. Undo that and pull out the little arm here. Then you put the baby carrier down and compress the stand at the back. So this is basically as compressed as your Poco or Poco Plus is going to go. I tend to just tuck these in here just to keep them out of the way, make them a bit easier to get in. Someone's not going to do it now, is it? To get them in the bag. So when you've got your baby carrier compressed like this, you get your bag out, and then you're going from the top down. So sorry, you get the zip will go around the top of the baby carrier. So we're going to start at the bottom here and just get all the straps and everything in. This is where it's really handy, one of these, if you're going on a plane or something like that, because you've got all the straps and the waist belt and everything that's hanging out of the baby carrier. So if you can get it all tucked away nicely into a bag, it's much less likely to get damaged in transit. Also, if you just want to somewhere to keep it nice and tidy at home and stored away in a cupboard somewhere, it's quite a good thing to have. So there we go, just about got it in the bag there, and then it's just one big zip around the top. There's no extra padding or anything in this carry case. It is simply just a bag that's just big enough to hold your baby carrier. You wouldn't really fit a lot else in it. You might be able to pack something in around the top here, but there you go. That is your baby carrier, nice and safely stored in the carry case. I'll just turn it around there, and there you get an idea of the size. You'll notice it's a little pocket here that you can put like a name and address card in. It's got a little grab handle there, and then a shoulder strap as well with a little bit of cushioning over the shoulder piece. So you can just pop it over your arm like that. So it really does make it easier to get it through an airport, on a bus, all that sort of thing. So there you go. Hope you found this useful. If you'd like more videos about Osprey products and other baby and kid related outdoor gear, please do subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Many thanks.